So one of the key aspects to application is the actual preparation of the in-use solution from a concentrate. One way to do that is manually. In other words, we can measure the required volume of concentrate that needs to be diluted in a solution of clean water so that we can prepare the in-use solution that has the right concentration of active ingredient. The best way of preparing as opposed to manual is to use an automatic system. The best way to do that is by using an inline dilution system. Inline dilution systems typically are a small assembly that's in the piping that is called a Venturi adductor. A Venturi adductor, as you can see from the diagram, consists of a flow of pipe that has a converging section and then a diverging section. What happens is that the high pressure water converges and passes through the converging section and is accelerated. In fluid mechanics, there is a principle called the Bernoulli principle, essentially the conservation of energy principle in a flowing fluid. And what it says is that when you accelerate a fluid, that has to be accompanied by a local drop in pressure. So when the fluid accelerates and going through the small constricted orifice, it actually creates a local vacuum. In that local vacuum, we have a side branch. In that side branch, we have a pipe that pipes in the concentrated chemical. So you can see that as the flowing pressure of water goes through the main pipe, the local vacuum in the constricted area of the tube draws chemical from the side branch. Now, the flow rate at which chemical is going to flow from that side branch will depend on the size of the orifice of that side branch. And usually that size is changed by a removable part, typically referred to as an orifice tip. So as you can see, we believe that application is as important as the actual disinfection chemistry itself. That's why we believe that providing the user with the right materials so that the material is properly applied is very important. Things like brochures or best practices or videos for training, these things are as important as the documentation on the actual disinfectant chemistry itself.